Winterset trap beds will keep your foothold traps insulated and functioning in freezing weather. Trapping in the winter has always posed unique challenges. Anyone who traps with foothold traps in the winter in areas where temperatures fall below zero overnight has probably experienced frozen traps. When you find paw prints on top of traps that didn't fire because they were frozen, the possible solutions have typically been wax dirt or chemical antifreeze added to your trap setting process. Whether you're setting traps in frozen ground or directly in the snow, Winterset Trap Beds will make your trapping easier and more productive by insulating your traps and keeping them firing even in the coldest weather. Minor trap modifications suggested but not required. While it is possible to stake your traps down through the bottom of your Winterset trap bed, replacement of trap chains with cable will allow your traps to be naturally separated from the Winterset trap bed when your target animal is caught. Simply make an incision into the foam and feed the cable through it when bedding your trap. By doing this, the Winterset trap bed will be far less likely to become damaged by a caught animal. This simple modification helps us to get an average of 4 to 6 catches per Winterset trap bed before replacement is required. The instructions are easy. Just treat the set like you would any other dirt hole set. Simply pre-bed the Winterset trap bed and place your set trap inside. Then cover the bedded trap with plastic wrap. And conceal it with dirt or snow. And deploy your bait and lure.